Hey everyone, this week's Trade of the Week natural gas, it was traditional, but I want to show you what was really interesting about the event. If you've been following our trades by watching our videos every week, you know that we can trade in a cash account. We have a cash account, we have a prop account, we have a couple of prop accounts. And natural gas and all of our trades can be traded in prop accounts. And we traded natural gas in our prop account. We had a real nice win. But it was also a great little trade. It hit both my targets. It was very bearish news, and it caused the price of natural gas to drop. Hit my first target, then I moved my second target to the low of the day, which was the perfect place to put it. It changed direction right at the low. I thought there would be a reversal because we had a big candle explosion trade. So I put an immediate reversal on, even though the news was very bearish. 20 billion cubic feet more storage expected, more natural gas around than expected. That's bearish for the price. But I still wanted that reversal, but I was really surprised by the depth of the reversal. I got my second trade target, not a problem, but look at how big this reversal was. It was 75% of the original natural gas move. Very large reversal, and it's a shame. Sometimes you just don't know what the market's going to do. It takes you by surprise, and you leave money on the table. But natural gas is still our trade of the week. It is traditional in that it was only a breakout, no big deal here or there, but the reversal surprised us. Candle explosion, take an immediate reversal. I thought the bearish news would keep the price muted and low, but it still went up, and it was a great reversal. You live and learn for the next time you trade. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed these videos every week. Also, don't forget we have our special offer. If you went to our webinar, a trial, it's expiring Sunday at midnight. So get in there and sign up before it's too late. www.10mtplus.com, the number 10. mtplus.com. Grab our trial. We're not keeping it up past Sunday. $24 for a month, everything included, including me. See you next week, everybody. Have a great week. And we do.